Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways. KuCoin, KCS could hit $15,178 in 2022. KuCoin's cost expectation for the most negative situation will esteem KCS at $8,688 in 2022. KuCoin's past all-time high was on 1 December 2021, where KCS was estimated at $28.83. KuCoin's cost simultaneously last week was $9,984. It has moved by 7,834% in the previous week and is as of now at $10.86. In fact, in the beyond 24 hours, KCS has siphoned by 1,392%. There is a slight negative opinion in the crypto market. The drawn-out feeling, be that as it may, stays bullish and KCS could hit $41,426 in 2023. The all-outflowing stockpile of KuCoin, as of compassing this video, was $97,784,596,743, and the market cap of KCS stays at $1,060,899,233. Significant disclaimer: for coins with practically no important pieces of information and inexistent verifiable information, the model naturally will show a positive cost expectation. It is basically impossible for our AI bot to unravel white paper, tokenomics and group honesty. The coin's value that you are going to see beneath can fall definitely contingent upon many elements, so if it's not too much trouble, contribute shrewdly in the wake of actually looking at the group and undertaking's white paper. This ongoing value forecast is finished by a machine doing the math, and the model is still in the early beta stages. It should stringently not be taken as a speculation counsel. Albeit the best designers are presently tweaking and refreshing the calculation, no human has confirmed the cost anticipated underneath, so if it's not too much trouble, utilize your carefulness and go with a choice shrewdly. Our KuCoin cost forecast model considers a ton of data of interest and factors to give the rough worth of KCS before long to come. No calculation, be that as it may, can be 100% precise, however we endeavor to present to you the most dependable cost forecast by utilizing a high-level AI/ML information crunching model. The information focuses, remember, KuCoins for chain development of coins for August 2022 and past authentic information. KuCoin's all-out exchanging volume on trades for August 2022 and past verifiable information. KuCoin's social feeling for August 2022 and past authentic information. KuCoin's impending guide and developer action for August 2022 and past authentic information. KuCoin's enormous whale developments and their hodling designs for August 2022 and past authentic information. KuCoin's cost developments in light of different exchanging markers like Bollinger Bands, RSI, moving averages, both S&E, MACD, and something else for August 2022 and past verifiable information. KuCoin price prediction. KuCoin has had an exciting 2021. To work on the most recent KCS cost forecast, we have split the expectation by transient KuCoin cost expectation and long-haul KuCoin cost forecast. As of compassing this video, KCS had an exchanging volume of $4,486,614. KuCoin has increased 17,552% in the beyond 30 days. As per our examination temporarily, KuCoin cost expectation for October 2022 shows the typical cost of KCS at $11.39, and the most elevated conceivable cost for October 2022 would be $12,187. Further, as per our examination in the long haul, KuCoin cost expectation for February 2023 shows the typical cost of KCS at $35,327, and the most elevated conceivable cost for February 2023 would be $37.08. KuCoin cost expectation 12 August 2022. KuCoin's cost for 12 August 2022, as per our investigation, ought to go between $9,678 to $11,135, and the typical cost of KCS ought to be around $10,406. KuCoin cost expectation 17 August 2022. KuCoin's cost for 17 August 2022 as indicated by our investigation ought to run between $9,713 to $11,175, and the typical cost of KCS ought to be around $10,444. KuCoin cost expectation 22 August 2022. KuCoin's cost for 22 August 2022, as per our investigation, ought to run between $9.78 to $11,253, and the typical cost of KCS, it to be around $10,517. KuCoin cost expectation 1 September 2022. KuCoin's cost for 1 September 2022 as indicated by our examination ought to run between $9,931 to $11,426, and the typical cost of KCS ought to be around $10,679. KuCoin cost expectation October 2022. KuCoin's cost for October 2022 as per our investigation ought to go between $10,593 to $12,187, and the typical cost of KCS ought to be around $11.39. KuCoin cost expectation November 2022. KuCoin's cost for November 2022 as indicated by our examination ought to run between $11,178 to $12,861, and the typical cost of KCS ought to be around $12.02. KuCoin cost expectation December 2022. KuCoin's cost for December 2022 as indicated by our examination ought to go between $11,763 to $13,534, and the typical cost of KCS ought to be around $12,649. KuCoin's long-term price prediction. KuCoin's drawn-out price prediction beneath is a glance at KCS's future possibility concerning cost. KuCoin was most recently seen at $10.86, with a market cap of $1,060,899,233, and exchanging volumes of $4,486,614. KCS's value forecast is conceivable by investigating verifiable cost activity, current turns of events and social opinion from the local area. KuCoin cost expectation 2022. KuCoin's cost for 2022 as per our investigation ought to run between $10,119 to $15,178, and the typical cost of KCS